looking to find how to know if you're banned on Yubo. Well, Yubo being a social network or live social discovery app for teenagers, it has a lot of safety guidelines in place, and if you happen to violate any one of them, you might be banned. But how do you know if you're banned on Yubo? Hello everyone, welcome to How to Guide. In today's guide, we're gonna see how to know if we are banned on Yubo. Well, there's not a definitive way to know that you are banned on Yubo, but there are certain signs that might indicate that your account is banned. Well, the first is being unable to log in. So despite giving the correct credentials, you are unable to log in, then you might be banned. So if that is your case, you might want to check your email or even your app notifications for prior warnings or even notifications about the possible ban prior to actual banning your account. Now, another way is missing profile. So you can log into your account, but your profile information and all the contents are gone. So this is a strong indication that your account has been banned. So even if you might access some parts of Yubo, like browsing public profiles, you might be restricted from certain features like swiping, messaging, and live streaming. This is also a sign that you might be banned. So now you have a better understanding of how to navigate and find out if you're banned in Yubo. If you found this video helpful, do give this video a big thumbs up. Still have any questions? Do leave them in the comment section. Thank you and see you in the next one.